What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the How to Become a Content Creator in 10 Days or Less YouTube mini series by me, Hammerdance, right here on the channel. So today we're here with day 4, and on day 4 we are going to be talking about creating and setting up all of your social accounts. And yes, most of you already know how to do this. So as you guys probably already know, that when you are trying to become a content creator, or if you are already a content creator, having as many social media accounts as possible at your disposal is detrimental to your success. You want your brand, you want your content, you want your character or yourself visible on as many platforms as possible, because most people, when they find you and like your content and follow your stuff, they're going to want to follow you onto other platforms to see your short form content, and then or watch your long form content or watch your live streams. So it is extremely important, right? So whether you're starting on YouTube or TikTok or wherever you want to start creating content, it's very important to set up all of your socials right from the beginning and have them linked in all of your content from day one. It's super important because one day you may post a video that decides to go semi-viral or something, and you're gonna wish that you had all those accounts created because you would have gotten a lot of following from that one video. So what I want you guys to do on day 4 is sit down and figure out all of the social media accounts that you want to create. Most likely, you're going to want to create your YouTube account. You're going to want to create your TikTok, your Twitter, maybe even Facebook if that's where you want to go. And then for live streaming, you're going to want to create your Twitch or your Kick, whatever that may be. But make sure that by the end of day 4, you have sat down and created all of your social accounts. Here's the kicker, though. So converting someone from one platform to another is not a simple task. And what you're going to want to do is make sure that when creating these accounts, you got to open up all of these pages as you're creating these accounts and make sure that you can find your handle on every single one of those platforms. I think it's super important to keep your handle exactly the same on every platform, right? So if my name is Hammerdance, correct? So my YouTube is Hammerdance. My Twitch is Hammerdance. My Kick is Hammerdance. It's not Hammerdance 1942, it's not Hammerdance XYZ on here, and then it's Hammerdance 123 on here. Like, you want to try and pick a handle that you can use across all platforms that is identical. And the reason that I think this is so important is because, like I said before, converting people from one platform to another as a follower or a subscriber is hard enough on its own. So the fact that it's just simple, that you can go on YouTube and, go to youtube.com/hammerdance and you find me. You can go to twitch.tv/hammerdance and you find me. You can go to kick.com/hammerdance and you find me. It just makes it that much easier, and it gives your audience and your viewers and your community a little bit more of a seamless experience when it comes to finding and watching your content. And I think this is super important, but this is a very easy day. That is all I'm asking you guys to do on day 4, is to sit down, create all those social accounts, make sure you can get your handle on every single one of them. And if you can't, maybe think up a different handle, change it a little bit, and see if you can get that one across all accounts. I do think it's very, very important, guys. So yeah, that's all for day 4. It's an easy day today. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button. It does help me out a lot. And drop some comments down below. If you got nothing to say, give me an emoji. The engagement really does help my videos out a lot more than you know. So yeah, consider subscribing to the channel and turning on post notifications so you don't miss the next time I post a video. And if you want to hang out with me live, I stream at twitch.tv/hammerdance Monday through Friday at 8 p.m. Eastern time every single week. But anyways, guys, that's all from me. I hope you enjoyed your easy day 4. I want you to keep those hammers up, and I'll see you next time. I'm gonna just, yeah.